Do you know you can make money as a beginner without any investment using Quora in affiliate marketing? Your chances of making money increase regarding services that sell the most globally. Let me show you how it's done. First of all, if you haven't watched my previous video in which I told you how to create your account on the Fiverr affiliate program, go check it out. The link is in the description. To get started, open your Chrome browser, any browser you have, then search for a website called Fiverr.com. It is the most popular website where freelancers from almost every country and niche sell their services. But we are not here to sell our services. Here, search for any services you know best about and want to promote it. I will simply search for a graphic designer. As you can see, thousands of freelancers are selling their services, but we have to choose the best one for promotion. Remember to choose the only one who has high ratings and more completed orders. I'll go through the first he who has 4.9 out ratings and 600 plus orders completed, which means he is experienced and perfect for any client. He already has 3 orders in queue, proving that he is in demand. You can also read his description, which you can use to introduce him. Next, you have to copy this page URL and go to the Fiverr affiliate dashboard. If you don't have an account, watch the video I linked in the description. Once you are on the dashboard, go to Marketing Tools and Select Default and Deep Links section. Here, you will see a deep link option. Click on it and paste the URL you copied. Click on Save, and here your affiliate link is ready. You just need to promote it the right way. Pick the Fiverr Pro Flan. Remember to check the link one time to make sure it's the exact page you wanted. To promote it, we will use one of the most sites on Google called Quora. Search Quora.com on your browser and log in. It will take 2 minutes to complete this process. Once you are done, you can start searching for the services wanted to promote. I'll search graphic designer. Let's see what results show how. It came up with lots questions. People are surely in need of a talented designer. Pick a question that suits your service. You can answer either by yourself or using the ninja technique. Again, go to your browser and search ChatGPT. Make sure to log in for a better response. You can use the same prompt I entered. Once it is done, copy the answer this way and paste it as the answer to that question. Now, it's time to put our affiliate link so that we can drive traffic to that specific page we selected. Follow these steps carefully to put the link. To make the answer more good-looking, you can also add images. Follow these steps. Copy the image from the affiliate URL and paste it here. And here is the final look at our answer. Remember that if you put too many affiliate links in single answer, or put it in every answer you give, your Quora account is surely to be banned. To avoid spam, make your answers good-looking, helpful, and descriptive. Make a daily routine of posting answers and how many of them will have affiliate links. Just as I do, I daily post 5 answers in which I only give 2 answers with affiliate links. With this method, I have gotten over 6,000 plus views since the start of the month. Wait some time and then check out. You will start getting clicks shortly, and if your answers are helpful, they are likely to buy your services. As you can see, I got 28 clicks just after posting my answer. So that's the end of this video. I hope you find it helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more informative videos. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.